Bye, Bliss man!
Oh, I just realised, I'm sorry to interrupt, I nearly stepped on Pudgy's tail.
Let's get it on camera.
I nearly stepped on Pudgy's tail.
Do you know what?
That's so clever. That dog's cleverer than Danny.
Yeah, he doesn't do anything when he wants to.
It's cleverer than you.
She just
I could do circles through girls' legs.
Oh no, I feel very uncomfortable with it, to be quite honest with you, just because she'll know what I'm like.